Okay, I got something new today. It is the Rockpals Freeman 600. You may have seen another video of mine a few months ago with the Rockpals 300 Freeman version. This is a larger model. It's got a few extra things that the smaller one doesn't, besides being a larger model, and it's the most advanced. Rockpals is one of several companies I've worked for. As some of you guys may know, I give presentations on portable power stations and folding solar panels and portable power solutions at events like Overland Expo and the RTR. I wouldn't call myself an expert, but I kind of feel like it. I'm not a technical guy. I'm more of a user experienced person. I've dealt with a lot of different brands. I've worked for Jackery, Rockpals, Opus, and a few others. I've had different companies send me different things over the years to show to people and to keep for myself, which is always nice. Today's my birthday. Please don't wish me a happy birthday. I don't need that kind of pressure, and usually my birthdays aren't very happy. They're usually the worst day of the year for me. Today's been not horrible, so I'm pretty happy with that. So let's get right into this thing. I'm gonna make this video probably a two-parter. This is just the unboxing section, so I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions and kind of show some of the advancements that they've been using as they create newer models. If you're not already a member of the Facebook group Be Pals with Rockpals, you might want to go check it out. We're using this group to help design better products. We want feedback from the customers, from the people who actually use these things, on what they like and don't like, what they want to see in newer versions, what options they really appreciate, and what things they don't really use. So that's one of my favorite things about Rockpals. Besides the fact that they're one of the higher quality companies with the lowest price in that high quality range, they also have a great warranty, but they really try to listen to their customers, and they really want to build the products that we want. So if you go to that Facebook group, Be Pals with Rockpals, and if you're very active in that group, we occasionally select our more active members to join a second secret group where you will get an opportunity to receive a free product and test it and review it yourself. Again, not everybody's going to get that opportunity, just the more active and helpful members. But even if you don't want to try to get free equipment, just going to that group and giving us your feedback once in a while will help to build and design better products in the future. Now, the first thing I like about this one, this actually has the LiFePO 4 battery. If you don't know the difference, that's the most advanced common lithium battery technology today. It charges faster, it's safer, it has plenty of life cycles for recharging. This comes with your standard wall charger, and of course these for solar, which may also have a secondary purpose, I'm not sure yet. One of the nice things about the Rockpals solar panels, they come with a bunch of adapters, so they're compatible with pretty much any brand of power station out there. And this, I really, really like this. I've had a lot of different power stations, but the Rockpals Freeman line has a very high quality cigarette lighter plug. The cable's thick, the plug itself feels like it's quality, feels like strong plastic, thick plastic. It's got a nice spring with a good amount of resistance on it. And of course they give you this nifty little bag to carry everything in so that you keep track of your accessories. So now let's get right into the Freeman itself. Yeah, let me show you the box real quick. And here's some of the specs on the side. You might want to pause this. I'm not going to hold it up there forever. The nice thing about the LiFePO batteries, they are kind of light, but this power station, being a large power station, still has quite a bit of weight to it. So first thing I noticed when I saw these online was that the handle is foldable. I know it seems like a little thing, but when you're living in a motorhome or even just camping, van, bus, whatever, every bit of space counts. I also really like how they've got the neon green along with the black. I don't know, I just really like that. On this one, all of your AC ports are going to be on the back. You got 3 of them back there. And on the front, you have your 12-volt port, your charging outlets, and your USB. Now, the thing I really like about this USB, it actually has USB-C PD, and it's a 60-watt USB-C PD. So my phone is a OnePlus 9 Pro. It has a 60-watt charging capacity. It has 2 batteries inside, so it can charge both batteries at a rate of 30 amps, and by doing that, you're able to reduce the overall charge time. I can charge this phone from dead to completely full in about, I don't know, 20 minutes. So I'm really anxious to get in here and I don't know, maybe it's time for me to get a new phone. This is the 3rd time I've tried to make this video today, and for some reason, right about the 4 or 5 minute mark, it freezes up or the audio stops. I just got an update on this phone, and I'm guessing that's why. But what I was saying was I'm anxious to get my phone hooked up to this and see if it will charge just as fast from that 60-watt USB PD as it would from the 60-watt USB-C PD charger that comes with the phone. I don't know if it's going to understand the management of the 2 different batteries correctly, but even if it doesn't, it's still going to charge it faster than any other power station I have right now. I'm also going to finish this video by making a second part later after I've used this a little bit. I plan to camp down here tonight. I'm going to put up my tent. It's been kind of hot, so I'm really anxious to run a big fan inside that tent and see how that goes. Before I stop the video, I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff on the box in case you're curious. And give you one more reminder that we're looking for new members again in the Be Pals with Rockpals Facebook group. So if you want, go request to join there, and me or one of the other administrators will add you. And we look forward to feedback from anybody, because that's how we make better products, by finding out what the users like, don't like, and what they want and don't want. Thanks for watching.